Welcome. I've always wanted to do one of these. I've always mentioned it previously, but I never had a chance to do it, and I just decided, hey, I'm going to do it right now. Um, a lot of the things that I already show on how to do Verilog, I already show you how to do it within sort of Linux or Mac or through another Windows. So I'm going to show you how I do it with Windows. So I have Windows 10 running right here. The best way to start is make a directory somewhere, and usually on your desktop, of the files you want to simulate. So I have a directory called EX1, and in here I have a system Verilog file, a test bench, and a do file, which I've mentioned before in class. Do files are very important in order to make things run easily, and they just simplify the whole process. So the first thing you want to do is get to a command prompt. Now you don't have to use a command prompt. You can use, I believe it's Windows has a PowerShell, so Windows PowerShell. This works as well if you like that. I just typically use the command prompt because it's easier. So I go over down to this sort of running or execution area. I just type CMD and it runs a command prompt. So the thing that I want to do now is go to that directory now. I don't know why Windows does it, and I'm sure there's a way of changing it, but it never goes into your desktop. So you want to go into your desktop, CD desktop, and then go to the directory where you have all your files. So I have the files here. You can make a work directory to start, so vlib work if it's already there. That just starts everything. You only have to do that once. And then make sure your Verilog files compile, so you can type vlog silly.sv, and this is system Verilog, and I know it's system Verilog because it has a .sv extension. I do that and I know it works. So I've already tested this before. I know the test bench works and everything. So I have a do file here, and again, the do file is extremely important in making things run super easily. It allows cooperation with teams, and it just simplifies the whole process. So you can see I can just do vsim minus do, and then the do file, and inside of the do file, I have the simulation that I actually want to simulate, which is in this case work. .tb, and tb is the name of the module inside the test bench. And these are the names of the files that I compiled just in case there's a change or something like that. So I just do vsim minus do, silly.do, and after a while it runs and hopefully it simulates. And so that's all you have to do, believe it or not. That's super easy. So hope you enjoyed. Have a great